We interrupt this broadcast so you can experience technical difficulties. But don't worry, we can fix it.
Live!
Via videotape delay, from Spokane, Washington comes the show that fixes TV once and for all. It's Earl's TV Repair with Fatso the Cat, the Hotheads, an Alien, Lard Boy, the Salon Brothers, Gil Johnson, and Iris, the Hungry Dog.
We'll be right back after this commercial break. We're sitting here on the set of Earl's TV Repair, the new hit television series.
It's kind of like Wayne's World meets Home Improvement, except this is a real TV show from a real garage. My garage.
Now, Earl's does have some things in common with America's Funniest Home Videos, but we take it the next logical step, which is a home video show from a real home.
Even people who watch this old house will love Earl's because we build stuff too. Instead of bricks, we use stale maple bars.
See for yourself. Here's just a quick taste of what you'll find happening at Earl's TV Repair. And we can get 26 pairs out of a single sheet of plywood.
Plywood? A hinge? 4-ply? Biodegradable? It's comfortable! Made for a woman by men!
Doc. Yeah. Simply thread a common household lag bolt into the keystone dog like this. Loosen up the meat jelly just a bit. Could we get a drum roll here, please? And carefully extract the sausage. How can anything that small be called a sausage?
The Make Room for Danny Show, starring Big John Solid.
One, the country's dependency on non-renewable energy resources. Two, the high cost to run our prison system. I say, let's turn prisoners
into unlimited renewable resources. How? By installing bicycles like these with an alternator hooked to the back tire. That way, we can turn every man, woman, and child prisoner into an energy generation plant. Instead of sentencing them to years, we sentence them to kilowatt hours.
The proceeding was an editorial opinion and a good idea. It's Dress Up, Chuck.
Gail Rodenbaugh writes, I'd like to see Chuck in a snappy little house coat with a roof for a hat, cedar lapels,
And a back door.
she calls it an extremely mobile home.
Head start.
It's simple, really. It's hooks, it's fun. I call it
A
a
makeshift plywood butt flap. Pretty comfortable, really. Thanks, Bill. And now, backed by popular demand, it's late at night and without permission.
I always liked it when people did things with me. You see, I grew up in a little house in Texas, and I didn't have any friends or anything, so I used to go in the backyard and do aerobics. Come on, 1 and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Your mother's name. Come on, sing it out.
Perfect ambulance to any meal. And there you have it. French loafers Pierre, a perfect fit once again. And thank you for cooking with Pierre.
It's clip time.
The Hothead Family.
Rockets, red glare. Hey, I'm home.
Oh, hi, honey.
Honey, I'm home. Where are you? Hi, Sparky. Oh, there you are.
Did you have a hard day today?
A hard day. God, I am burned out. I think I need a beer.
Well, listen, now Bernice is coming over, and she's bringing over her new boyfriend.
Oh, God, not another
She's really got the
boyfriend.
hots for this one, too, so I think you should get cleaned up.
When are you gonna quit playing matchmaker with
Oh,
that girl?
now don't start that.
Oh, look at him. He doesn't have a head on his shoulders. He's nothing but a pretty boy cocktail toothpick. I'm gonna take her.
Well, I love him, and he loves me. Besides, we're getting married. You'll see.
Married.
Oh, Daddy, you make me so mad.
Right tool, wrong job.
Definitely the right tool.
Remember, it's tilt-free. Earl's TV Repair.